Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix product not showing on Shopify. And I'm going to take you through the entire process. So here are the steps you can take to fix a product not showing on your Shopify store. So first step, we can go to products here. And here we have our products. Actually, I just realized I forgot I changed my store. I used to have another one. Anyway, I'll create a product right now very fast. Very fast. Okay, hope this works. Just for demonstration purposes. Okay, I have this product here. I'm going to click on this product. Is it active? But maybe it's not active. And it's not active because you have to check if, like when you go to the admin and you find a product, you have to check the status here. Write this one, because if the status happened to me, I imported the product from AliExpress and the product was, the status would change to draft, and then you won't be able to see the product. But if you click on active and you change it to all active, if that was the issue, the case for you, that's the solution. And if it is, I really hope you found it helpful. Subscribe and like it. I really appreciate that. So look for the status as I showed you, and from active change it to from draft change it to active, and that's the solution. But also now, if that's not a problem, make sure you have inventory. So if you track inventory and your product needs to have at least one available item, it is out of stock, it really won't show you unless you change your settings. So click on inventory from the product page, and we have to click on inventory, and here we have to check the inventory. So if the is an unavailable, the quantity, here we can click on the product, and here we can check the inventory. We can change it, and if it's 0, then that's the problem. That's why you have this issue, is just because now maybe your product is part of a collection. Make sure the product is included in the collection and the collection itself is published. That's another thing I realized that I was, not checking, because I had this problem. So you create a collection from here. Now here in this collection, you have this collection. And then here in this collection, of course, you have a product, right? And maybe you didn't add any product to this collection, and that's why the product was not showing inside your website, on your website, because it wasn't added to your collection. Because you can actually go to your store, you can click on editing to edit your store, and then here when you click on when you add section in the other collection list, you want for this one to select a collection. If you don't add now it's showing this product to my collection, but if I didn't add the product to my collection, I was thinking, oh, this might be something easy, like something, oh, of course, no, but when you work on your website, you have a lot of things you have to handle, and you just forget, and it's something normal. So don't worry. I hope you found this helpful. Easy fix, but when we have a lot of things we have to solve, a lot of things we have to do with our website, sometimes you can forget about this, and you're not taking consideration. You just forget about it. You just forgot. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.